Minnesota.
Somalia is emerging from a very long, difficult period, and we are now moving away from the chaos, instability, extremism, piracy to an era of peaceful and development.
Around 12 million Somalis, most of them herders, farmers, and fishermen, live in the country's 600,000 square kilometers. Despite being a member of the Arab League, Somalia's main language is Somali. The only Arabic speakers are people who've studied the language or lived in Arab countries.
It always makes me very cross when I hear some official somewhere saying Syria is the next Somalia or Libya